right, well, I'm in one of my favorite spots to look for crystals, and I see one reflecting back at me, so I'm trying to keep my eye on it and also show you this at the same time. Two that I've found so far. Let's see what I got over here. A little tiny one. Right there she is. Nice sunny day like today in this little excavated area. I always find some nice little crystals, usually perfectly terminated. You gotta stand still, sometimes you gotta go down. Now I'm seeing one right here. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. Right at the tip of my finger, there's one. The sun is right there. So walk over here, and that's about where it was. Oh wow, oh, this is a nice one. That is a nice one. Got some dirt on it. Maybe broken a little bit, but all right. Right there. Right there's one. Ooh, oh, now there's a good one. Beautiful. Looks like it's got some hematite in there, some yellow coloration. Beautiful. All right, this has been a good day. It really has been a good day. See if we can find some more. Whoa, I'm seeing something right there on the hill. Now that could be not a crystal, or it could be. So if I follow my finger, where's my finger? There, do you see it? Right there. All right, let's see what that is. That may be something, that may be nothing. Oh, little cluster. Hang on, stand by. Little tiny cluster. That might go in my pocket. I'll see if I can clean that up. Maybe it'll be something, don't know. All right, folks, well, I figured I'd show you my haul of the day. Got some nice ones in there. Let me see if I can get out of the sun. Nice little pocket full.